What's up everybody, welcome back to Lord of the Coins, where I objectively give you my analysis based on price action. So in this video, we're just going to cover a lower time frame outlook of Bitcoin and a couple trades, and then we'll cover a higher time frame outlook as well. So I actually wanted to cover the higher time frame outlook first, and I want to cover the SPY first. The SPY has just been constantly rejected off of this trend line, and we filled the zone of supply right here. If you guys been following my channel for the last few months, I said that we would probably find rejection here, or we sweep out this buy side liquidity and then find rejection in this zone of area. I did not think we would put in a new high. So pretty much with this price action, it's very clear that the bears are back, and the next few levels I'd be looking at are at this 348 mark on this low, this 321 mark, this 320 mark, and then anywhere in this zone of demand right here, coming down to around $300. So these are the levels I'd be looking for at first SPY. I'd be watching this closely in line with Bitcoin. So what does this mean for Bitcoin? Definitely this means that the bears are back for Bitcoin, and the markets are fractal, and this is an idea I've been playing around with and talking with my private trading community about. So if we take the bars pattern from this, we're looking at some sort of price action like this. Some of the confluence behind this is this. So this rejection right here on this wick was the November monthly open. We rejected right off the monthly open. And right here, I think I had it written out. That was right. So this is the December monthly open. So with that said, with monthly open, probably seeing something like this, where we're gonna come down here, possibly, and then find a wick up to the monthly open, and that would be a re-entry into this short. So this is kind of the idea that I've been playing around with. I do think we are going to see lower levels on Bitcoin, and I believe this is the move that's going to come down. I did mention in a couple of my other previous videos that this push up would be the move that brings us down. I just personally thought it would be going a little bit higher, sweeping out a little bit more liquidity, but yeah, I mean, I guess it's still definitely possible that we move up here and then come back down, but this move is fairly bearish at the moment. And if you guys did see my last Bitcoin video as well, I did mention that this level right here, around 17,100, was a very key level, and that if we broke this, we were going to be pretty bearish. Yeah, it looks like we did break it, and yeah, we're just looking towards some bearishness right now. So the level that I'm looking at for a short here, we'll go to the lower time frame here. So the level that I'm looking at for a short, for a very long-term short here, would be around 17,338 in the zone of supply right here. And I would just set my stop loss right above the swing high, something like this. So the reason behind this trade is that it is a zone of supply, but this is also the previous range low. So if we get some price action up here, we'll probably find some resistance off the previous range low, and we'll find some sort of rejection here. It probably won't be a failed auction like this, but rather possibly a few taps even, into this. Definitely after this dump here, if we come down here, we'll probably see a pump up, and then probably see some ranging here, probably off this previous week valley area low. And if we can claim this and claim the monthly open, we'll probably come up here real quick and maybe a couple taps, and then we'll probably come down. This is sort of the price action I'm kind of expecting at the moment, just like that. And in terms of a long trade, I definitely would favor short trades overall right at this very moment. But in terms of a long trade, if you guys wanted to scalp along, definitely in this H4 order block is a pretty good zone where we could see a tap here and move back up. If you are taking a long trade here, I would definitely set stops to break even kind of immediately, and then really manage your risk as the bears are back and the market is in a bearish order flow here. So we have our let's see. So we have our sweep right here, and then we have our change of character, and even on the 4 hour here, we have our sweep, and this is the 4 hour change of character right here, which is actually also the monthly open. So since we got a candle close below that on the 4 hour, you know, we're gonna get a retap into supply here, which is likely this area right here, and then I'm seeing a fairly larger move down here. Get rid of that. So yeah, I just want to give you guys this, you know, my quick take on Bitcoin here. In the long term, a higher time frame outlook, I'm seeing a new low. I definitely think we'll sweep these out. And on a lower time frame outlook, these are the two trades that I'll be taking myself here. And I'll definitely be keeping my risk to 0.5% of my account on this long trade, and then probably for the short trade, I'll be going up to 1.5% risk. So actually, I did want to mention, when you're trading like this and, you know, things don't go quite as planned as I thought price would come up here, the number one key skill to have is to be able to read and react to the market. I think predicting the market is definitely not the best way to approach trading, and I mentioned that in, you know, pretty much most of my videos, but reading and reacting is definitely the best skill to have, and it is one of the skills that will net you a really high win rate in the market. So definitely read and react. You know, the moment I saw the candle close below this, you know, I started charting these out and seeing where the next possible areas of confluence are. You know, we also do have something I forgot to mention, is that we do have this trend line right here that we were finding support on. It did get broken. You know, liquidity just got swept here, and, you know, if we do come back up here in this area, we'd definitely be, you know, in the view of retail eyes, this would be a rejection off of this trend line right here in this area. So that is definitely something, that's definitely more confluence to probably get more volume here. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this really quick outlook, please let me know in the comments down below if there's anything I missed, or if there's something that you guys want me to cover, forex pairs, other cryptocurrencies. Please let me know, and I'll definitely do that for you guys, and I'll get to every comment. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.